Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change your current location on the Bumble dating app. So first of all, let me tell you the thing. So your location will be automatically established by your phone's GPS. And if you are interested in changing the thing, you can change your location using the travel mode. So I'll show you how it's done. First of all, open the Bumble dating app and make sure you are already logged into your account. Now, once you are on the home screen, at the bottom you will see the profile avatar icon. Tap on it, then tap on the circular photo of your profile image in the center of the screen. So that's here. Afterwards, tap on the edit profile option. Okay, afterwards, once this page opens up, at the upper right corner of the screen you will see a gear like icon. Tap on it, and here right now my current location is Kathmandu. So if I want to change that, simply tap on the travel option here and then tap on the travel mode. So if you use travel mode, you can change your location to wherever you are going as often as you like. So here, tap on the option and maybe simply choose one of the locations here. You can type it or scroll it manually. And then the next thing is you need to upgrade your current Bumble account to a premium one. So here, choose the option as you desire. So that's 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, lifetime, and so on. And afterwards, tap on the continue option. Now here you need to provide your payment details. Simply follow the on-screen instructions. So that's how you can change your current location on the Bumble dating app, only if you are using a premium Bumble dating account, or in other words, if you have upgraded your normal Bumble dating account to a premium one. So this much for today. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like the video, please give the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon.